What I'd like to spend a little bit of time on now is another one of those urban myths when it comes to family law, the difference between spousal maintenance and child support. Now, you may appreciate that in this arena today, fathers and mothers are sharing the parenting of their children a great deal more. And this has had an effect on the amount of money that needs to be provided by way of support. Now, many people don't quite understand the difference between spousal and maintenance and child support. They're thinking that the money paid by one partner to the other is the support and it's all one thing. Most don't seem to appreciate that when you get married, the marriage contract itself creates a financial obligation. What I mean by that is that both parties have a financial responsibility for each other. That creates an environment where spousal maintenance becomes a consideration for the court in certain circumstances. It's not often spoke about and not often litigated today. That's because in today's world, in most families, both parents are working. So both parents have got a career and are able to support themselves both before, during and after a marriage. If I say post-World War II, it was more often the case that mum stayed home and minded the kids and dad went out and worked and earned the money. That dynamics changed a little bit, obviously, in the last 40 years, and that's brought about a bit of a change to the way this spousal maintenance obligation works. Now, that doesn't mean it doesn't exist. It's possible for one party to seek spousal maintenance from another in a matrimonial matter. Now, the basis for that spousal maintenance application is twofold. The first major issue is that there is a need. There's got to be a need by one party for support from the other. Now, the second part of the equation is that there's an ability to pay. So this is quite different from child support. Doesn't often come up, but the obligation is still there and needs some considering in each of these financial matters.